and welcome to Vlogmas Day 3. Today we are going to be making our gingerbread village. So that is what I'm going to film. And I'm going to show you guys that. Alright guys, so this is the gingerbread village kit that we got. We got this from Walmart, and I figured it would be better for each child to build their own little house rather than just trying to do one house. So, are you guys ready?
Yeah!
Alright. So the kids were really excited to rip open this gingerbread village kit. I helped them get all of the pieces out, and then I helped them actually put the gingerbread houses together, which, if you guys have an easier way other than using this bag, which was kind of like a pain, let me know down in the comments. But we made it work. One of the gingerbread houses did end up broken in the wrong spot, but it still worked out okay. The kids had a wonderful time with this. Even one of my kids was like, "Mama, this was so much fun," and he normally doesn't get into crafty stuff. So this is always on our bucket list for Christmas time. So yeah, I would highly recommend doing this with your kids too. It is a little bit messy. I tried to contain the mess as much as possible, so it wasn't too bad, and it was a lot of fun. And now we have little gingerbread decorations. If I can keep the 2-year-old from eating eating all the candy off of the house. Alright guys, so that's it for this video. I know it was short and sweet, but that was our main activity that we did today, and we had a blast. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel if you want to see more, and happy holidays!